To make your own temporary tattoo, first draw or print out the design you want to use. Then place tracing paper over the design and trace it with a pencil. Trace over the design again with a non-toxic black felt tip marker to make it dark. Then cut off the excess paper around the design with scissors. Clean the area of your skin where the tattoo will go with rubbing alcohol and let it dry. Cleaning your skin first will help the tattoo stick better. Place the tracing paper face down on your skin and wet it with warm water using a washcloth. Let it sit for 30 seconds, then carefully peel off the tracing paper to reveal a faint outline of your design. Now go over the design on your skin with the black felt tip marker to make it pop. Sprinkle baby powder over the design, dust it off, and spray liquid bandage on your tattoo. The baby powder and liquid bandage will help your temporary tattoo last for 1 to 3 days.